When I told you guys that Elon Musk's promise of deploying Robotaxis by next year and having a fleet of Optimus robots autonomously working in their factories was impossible, many of you didn't believe me. But here we are, and it's now clear that Tesla is shifting to teleoperation to get their Robotaxis and robots on the market sooner. For me, riding in a driverless car that I know is being operated remotely by someone else is a hard pass. And having a robot in my home under the control of a remote operator that can see me doing the did in the kitchen, that's a nah. But in today's video, we're going to dive into why Tesla is leaning heavily on teleoperation and what this move says about their ambitions and the current state of their technology. We even made a video some time back of CATL CEO Robin Zung saying that the biggest problem with Elon Musk is overpromising. He went on to say that if you believe Elon Musk when he says that he will deliver something in 2 years, then you will be in big trouble. As of now, Tesla shifting to teleoperation is both surprising and logical. Let me explain why. You see, my friend Elon Musk has repeatedly claimed that Tesla could achieve full autonomy using advanced neural networks and vision-based systems alone. No LiDAR, no radar, just cameras and software. But the timeline for this has been pushed back year after year, with promises of millions of Robotaxis on the road by 2020, now long forgotten. But let's face it, achieving this level 4 autonomy has proven to be a bigger challenge than initially advertised. While Tesla vehicles have made significant strides with their full self-driving FSD beta, the system is still far from flawless, often struggling with complex or unpredictable situations like construction zones or unusual traffic patterns. Now, it seems like Tesla has recognized these limitations, and they have decided not to wait for AI to catch up, but instead to implement teleoperation as a stopgap solution. The logic behind teleoperation is simple. It allows Tesla to deploy Robotaxis and robots sooner, while still addressing the safety and operational concerns that come with autonomous systems. Teleoperation enables human operators to intervene when AI reaches its limits. This approach makes a lot of sense from a business perspective. By rolling out teleoperated systems next year, Tesla can start generating revenue while their AI continues to learn and improve from real-world data. And if you saw their recent job postings for teleoperation roles, it did shed some light on how this system might work. What we know so far from the posting is that the company is hiring software engineers to develop systems that allow remote operators to control Robotaxis and robots using state-of-the-art virtual reality rigs. These VR systems immerse operators in the robot's or vehicle's environment, providing a first-person perspective that enables them to perform intricate tasks and navigate complex situations. Whether it's troubleshooting hardware issues, maneuvering through construction zones, or addressing unexpected edge cases, these VR systems give operators the tools they need to intervene effectively whenever the AI falls short. The operator's actions also serve as valuable data for training Tesla's AI systems, bringing the company closer to its goal of full autonomy. And it's at this point where Tesla fanboys always get mad at me. But we have already seen Tesla using teleoperation before, and they are so good at it. During the We Robot event, Tesla's Optimus robots demonstrated some impressive capabilities, from mixing drinks to interacting with guests. But what Tesla fanboys didn't realize at the time was that these robots were being teleoperated by humans. The teleoperation made the robots seem incredibly lifelike and capable, showcasing what Tesla's machines can do when guided by human intelligence. In fact, till today, some Tesla fanboys still argue that it was full autonomy during the event. Another great example of the potential of teleoperation was the recent demonstration of Tesla's Optimus robot catching a tennis ball with its upgraded arm. The video was so impressive. And if teleop is that good, then it makes sense why they don't have to wait anymore for AI to catch up. But why hire humans to teleoperate robots instead of simply having humans do the job directly? Like instead of having a human working via a headset to have a robot pour a drink for you, you can just hire someone to pour the drink directly. Well, in case you are wondering about that, for Tesla, teleoperation isn't just about making robots useful today. It's also about teaching them for tomorrow. In this case, every action taken by a teleoperator serves as a training data point for the robot's AI. By observing how humans solve problems, adapt to challenges, and make decisions, the robots are building a library of data that Tesla can use to improve its systems. This process accelerates the development of AI, while also allowing robots to take on physically demanding tasks that might exhaust a human. For example, if we consider like a construction site where a robot needs to lift heavy materials, a human teleoperator can guide the robot, but unlike a person physically on site, they won't suffer from fatigue. This enables longer working hours and increased productivity. There's also the safety factor where in like dangerous environments like nuclear plants or space exploration, teleoperated robots can take on tasks that would be too risky for humans. Imagine a robot being sent to Mars for exploration. With a strong communication link, a human operator on Earth could guide the robot to perform tasks, collect samples, or even build structures. This kind of teleoperation makes these missions possible, but also allows for real-time problem solving by humans, ensuring success in challenging conditions. Another fascinating aspect of Tesla's teleoperation approach is its potential for diversity in AI learning. By having different operators control the robots and vehicles, Tesla's AI systems can learn from various personalities and approaches to problem solving. This diversity in training data could help Tesla's AI make better decisions in the future, as it would be drawing from a broader range of experiences and strategies. At this point, I don't know about you, but I know that if there is one thing that might make some people uncomfortable, is the idea of teleoperation itself. The thought of riding in a driverless car that's remotely operated or having a robot in your home controlled by someone miles away may feel invasive or unsafe. But we have also seen cases of some of these cab drivers misbehaving and maybe riding in a car that you know it has a human driver who is not in the car, can make you feel safe somehow. I don't know, let me know in the comments section, how will you guys feel about this? I'm sure when it comes to robots for teleoperation to work well, it will be in industrial tasks or doing a job in a restaurant or things like that. But if it is in someone's home, I'm sure it will feel somehow unsafe and invasive because you literally have someone else who is watching everything you do in your home. You can't do it on the kitchen table anymore. If you have a fight with your spouse, they are listening. Tesla's Optimus robot was showcased with a new robotic arm that is insane and so good. Recently, they had announced jobs in teleoperation, and if the response time is that accurate in teleoperation, then this is so impressive. In the video demonstration, Tesla showcased the new hand's insane capabilities, which feature human-like tendons and an impressive 22 degrees of freedom in the hand alone, with an additional 3 in the wrist and forearm. This innovation marks a major leap in Tesla's efforts to replicate human dexterity, one of the most complex challenges in robotics. While the demo was teleoperated, Tesla was transparent about this from the start, avoiding the criticism it faced previously for not disclosing similar details at the We robot event. The upgraded hand is more realistic in appearance, but also engineered for finer control and enhanced tactile sensing. Milan Kovac, who is the head of the Optimus program, detailed the ongoing development, highlighting efforts to integrate broader tactile sensing coverage and refine the tendons for precise movements. A unique challenge involves balancing the compliance and protective layering on the fingers and palm without compromising tactile feedback. Also, something important to note is that Tesla has moved all actuation mechanisms to the forearm, which increases its weight, but also optimizes the hand's functionality. What makes this development particularly exciting is the broader implications for robotics and AI. Dexterity is one of the last frontiers for humanoid robots, and Tesla's progress suggests they are closing the gap between human and robotic capabilities. The Optimus program has already found limited use within Tesla's factories, a sign that the company is preparing these robots for more extensive real-world applications. Personally, I think Tesla's rapid strides in humanoid robotics could outpace its progress in other ambitious projects, such as achieving unsupervised robotaxi functionality. Just as humans master hand-eye coordination and manipulation tasks before acquiring the skills to navigate complex driving environments, AI may follow a similar trajectory. If so, Tesla's humanoid robots might achieve practical utility at scale sooner than its autonomous driving systems.